Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top. Yeah.
Tanto io non legge.
Che figo della scuola. Bucce.
Santo di Violet, pinasa ulit kay Wemby, wide open, number 0.
Bang!
Pinasa kay Lima, pinasa kay Timesa, long two, good ball, good ball. Number 9, good, good, isa good, good. Wemby, penetrating, Dimesa, taksak, pinasa kay Rio, 4-2.
Oh, step!
Wow.
4-2. Rio carry.
Wala bang count?
Isang tira.
May babae, may baba.
Yes, Tank.
Time remaining, 7 minutes and 30 seconds. Basket by Violet. Adria, Mesa. Shooter, wala. Pinagkakutan din kay Varga. Pinasa kay Violet. Kailalim, foul again. Number 30, Rio. Second personal foul. Time remaining. 7 and 26. Dito shot by number 9. Basket again. Second team foul by Caliero. Lucky, Cariol. Binasa kay Dimesa. Wala, kapos. Dimesa ulit. Fake and go. Reverse. Good for 1 by Mikey. 0. Kumalaksak. Binasa kay Wendy. Penetrating. Dinalik kay 0. Patay. Mid-range by 0. Lucky. 7-4. In favor of Caliero. Brotherhood pala, sorry. Bias lang. Rio. Tulaki. Mid-range. Wala. Rebound by Wemby. Luwag na luwag. Binalik kay Wemby. Tumesting ng 2.
Kaboom!
Oy! Nilinis pa!
Let's go!
Nilinis pa ni Wemby. Sorry. 9-4. Dead ball. Dimesa. Mid-range. Wala. Rebound kay Wemby. 5 ball lamang ng Brotherhood. Oops. Good. Wemby. Pumukul ulit ng 2. Wala. Nice pass up by Rio. Dimesa. Binabantay ng guardia ng kabila. Wala. Get away. Patay. Anak last down. 6 minutes exactly. Score is 9-4. 9-5. Favor ng Lucky. Nanabog. Good, good. Violet, up. Substitution.
Substitution.
9 points pa rin. Laban pa rin ang Brotherhood. Ball. Ball. Penetrating against plain white. Against plain white. 20. Binabantay ni Marion. Pumukol ng duwe. Patay ang naglason.
Patay ang naglason.
Ang kalabangan ng Brotherhood. Di ba suki? Boarding. Nag-boarding pa. Masupil. Ball, ball. Isa isang na. Pa. Oh, good, good, good. Good basket. Rebound by Dimesa. Dimesa, spin by Marion. Dinali, wala, latas by the point guard, number 0. Dimasupil. Binabantay ni Ball. Say, no shot. Dinali. 1-1 again. Wemby, wala. Rebound by Wemby. Wemby. Pumukul kaya. Pumukul nga. Patay na naman. Na naglasok si Wemby. Score is 13. Say. Ito ang kalabangan ng Brotherhood. Time remaining. 4:55. May timeout tayo na guys ha. Unang gigigil, pwede kayo mag-timeout.
Let's go.
Anin pa rin ang kalamangan ng Brotherhood. 40 minutes. Lucky. 40 seconds pala. Wemby, Lucky. Wemby pumukok. Ball. Ball. Hinahanap si Wemby. Penetrating. Against si Masupil. 5 seconds shot lang. Sumalaksak. The point guard.
Oh. Jalab mo na.
Ano na bola yun? Possession. Okay. Dimasupil. Against Paul. Easy layup by Dimasupil. 13-8. Lamang na 5. 13-8. Lamang na 5. Foul naman yun. 13 foul. 13 foul by Calera. Wemby.
Pass. Balita.
Kailan na yun? Dimesa.
Papunta ninyo. Salamat.
Steal my ball! Steal my ball!
Oo, ang ganda nga sila naman.
Pupukul na naman!
Ayun lang,
Pupukul
hindi
na
ko
naman
alam.
si Wendy!
Hindi ko alam.
Wala bigay!
Pero may mga
Nabago na yata! Dimasupil! Dimasupil! To Dimesa! 1-on-1 against
Mabuti nga sila.
number 0. Oops! Steal by number 0 the point guard! The point guard! Steal again by Marion! Dimesa for 3! For 2! Dimasupil! Dimasupil against Paul! Fade away! Hook shot! Wala! Lucky! By Lucky! Dimasupil again! Dimasupil penetrating! Uy! Pinaliwa! Wala! Ano pa rin? Wala! Rebound by Wemby! Time remaining! 3:10! 3 minutes and 10 seconds! 5 seconds shot clock! Foul! Lucky! Warning for penalty ang Calero, ha? Shooting foul by Wendy. One shot lang yan kung may Wendy.
Tawag.
Warning for penalty. Wala. Rebound by Adrian. Dalawang po ng pito ang Brotherhood. Dimasupil. Pinasa kay Marion. Lopos against Wendy. Nice.
Si.
4-1 by Marion. Ano ka rin ang kalamangan? 2 minutes remaining. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. The point guard, pass the ball. Fake shot. Umasok. Wala mo wala. Dimasupil. Dimasupil against ball. And Wendy. Shoot. Dimasupil.
Ano?
Kalamangan. 2:30. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. 5 seconds shot clock. Shot clock. 2, 1. Shot clock. violation.
14 secondi, eh.
Via, 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 via.
Dimesa, lumopos. Mid-range, good by Juan, by Dimesa. Asa kayo bang? 10 seconds shot na. Last 2 minutes. To the squad. Wala. Malakas. Rebound by Lucky. Lucky. Good. Di masupoy. Sumalaksak against ball. Kinaliwa. Wala. Rebound by Wemby. Wemby. To the pinasa sa point guard. 10 seconds shot na. Alley-oop. Nice pass by the point guard. The point guard to Wemby. Bumawi. Lucky pa yun against Wemby. Pinasa kay Dumasupil. Dimesa for 3. Wala. Rebound by Lucky. 130. 12-16. 5 seconds shot na. 4, 3. Oh, good for
Man. Let's go, man. Let's go, man.
2, Dimesa for 2. Balik sa apat ang kalamangan. 160. Wemby. Pinasa sa the point guard. To Wemby. 5, 4, 3, 2. Wala. Sumula. Two. Last 1 minute. Exact 1 minute. One down. 6 seconds shot na. 5, 4, 3. Wala Bucci. Wala Bucci. 50 seconds. Ito ba super? Supply. Foul. 43 seconds. 43 seconds.
Pakilang paul na nila.
Kanyero ba, Paolo? Ano? Siya?
Oo.
Ano? Lima na.
Penalty. Warning for penalty ang gluten.
Offensive eh. May penalty ba yun? Alis mo lang.
Magpalit na sunod na laro. 18-16. Lawak ang Dakarut. Time remaining. 43 seconds.
43 seconds.
43 seconds. One shot lang yan. One shot ha. Siyempre one shot.
Salah. Rimba.
Rebound by Dimesa. Dimesa. 10 seconds shot na. Long 2. Wala. Rebound by Dimasuper. Nakato ni Wendy. 31 seconds. 33 seconds. Bola na tinaw. Dimesa. Penetrating. Dimasuper. Agad ko. Play by Dimasuper. 7 remaining. 30 time again. 30 seconds. Lamang pa rin ang Brotherhood. Nang isa. Pag naipasok po na Dimasuper, tabla laban. Wala.
Up.
Abbiamo vinto, no? Io sei la tripla.
No, ancora 28 secondi.
Pareho mo.
Every decision.
Bola ng kalaban. Ng Brotherhood. Brotherhood. 18 on. 21 seconds. 5 seconds left. Wala. Dimasuper din. Wala. Dimasuper din. Sada solo. Wala ka rin. Basket. 19-18. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Bucci, wala. 9 seconds.
Fuori,
2 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Wala na.